Welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is Faith and my name's Dustin Kronfelt. I want to welcome you on this journey. Start with Matthew 6 verse 19. Do not lay up for yourselves treasures on earth where moth and rust destroy and where thieves break in and steal, but lay up for yourselves treasures in heaven where neither moth nor rust destroy and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. I thought that was appropriate in kicking things off. You know, this beautiful green thing you see behind me, really I'm just a custodian of it, and the Lord has blessed me in many ways. And so I hope through all of these videos and through this channel to be a conduit for you to also find Christ in your life and to be drawn to Him and to find comfort, because we all know there's many things going on in each of our lives that feel like we can't overcome them or they're too difficult. You feel like giving up, but yeah, I would just recommend that you really seek Christ first. I always thought that I'd move out to a piece of property and be secluded and not want to engage. And what I found over the last year, thanks to my wife and members of our church, is that I'm being drawn in a fellowship, and really ministry is all about people, and Christ is in the business of people and building up His kingdom. So would really just encourage you to get a Bible, get a real quality study Bible, as our Pastor Rick mentions. John MacArthur is the study Bible I use, but Spirit will indwell you and give you that discernment. So let's get going.
My God, you're amazing. Looking back over my life, and your love is captivating. Even though I failed you many times, you picked me up again. When I fell to the ground, you filled my cup again. When I was running dry.
What we got here is a Behlen Country 7-foot landscape rake. Picked this up from Big R, local Big R. It was about $1,100 pre-tax. And I previously had 2 and 3 series John Deere. You know, if you're not familiar with the series, it's essentially stepping up from 30, 40 horse, 50 and up. And I have a utility tractor at 100 plus horse. And this is what happens when you have a overpowered tractor not matched with the proper implement. So if you can see here, I have tried to reinforce with some ribbing and 1/4 inch channel here, about, I don't know, 1.5 foot, but yeah, that did not work. And I'm getting ready to get this cut off, a new piece of channel put on, and get her back up and running. And also this the downforce was such that started to kink right there at the L in the support. So what I'll be showing you is chopping this off with a Miller plasma cutter, and then heating this up with my acetylene torch, getting that straightened up, and hopefully get her back up and running. And I'll be giving this to my dad, who's more than deserving, and he has I think a 30 horse, and this should be plenty beefy for what he needs out on his property. So. Speaking of product reviews, I just picked up this Icon stool from Harbor Freight. They had President's Day sale, and it's about $100. So should help save my knees. So what I realized is that the kind of the ribs that go into the channel that hold these tines, that's what's keeping this from flexing so I can get it to drop off. So I'm going to pull all these tines out. It's a Milwaukee impact wrench, definitely a lifesaver, one of the most handy tools that I use from a day-to-day basis. And let's pull these out. See better the reinforcements I tried to do, but it's no match for the tractor.
Jordan on fire right now. Woo, 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 whoa. Good father, good father. You take orphans, turn them into sons and daughters. Good father, you a good father. You take orphans, turn them into sons and daughters. Perfect in all your ways, got me jumping out the stage. Each and every day, know I gotta give them praise. Man, my life done changed, I'll never be the same. I am loved by you, that's just who I am. Oh my God, gotta lift them high. I get to it like there ain't no time. Put me in the dark where there ain't no shine. I'm a pipe up, give sight to the blind. Well, Father, Papa, Jawa, having a whole lot of...
So that's kind of the end of day one. Not sure if you can see my breath, but this cold night in Colorado, I'm gonna call it quits so I can get inside to my wife and my puppy and have some dinner. But anyways, I appreciate you guys tuning in. You know, that was, I don't know, hour and a half or so. I'm gonna cut the video down and you can check out certain sections, but ultimately, you know, it's whatever, a few hours on a Saturday, and I'm gonna pick this back up Monday evening. Should be in the 50s and a little bit more comfortable to work. So yeah, I got the work area a little bit cleaned up. Here's all the bent metal. Of course, I'm gonna straighten these ribs, get all these tines reattached. Here's the new piece of channel. And something I failed to do, which took easily a half hour before I even got the job started, as many of you can relate, I didn't take off the Cat 2 quick hitch. And I needed to get the Cat 1 on, and I'll show you all why Monday. It'll be taking out that kink in the bracing, and we'll have a little bit of fun then. So tune back in, and we'll pick up Monday evening. Thanks.